Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to get XP fast in Duolingo. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in Duolingo, click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Now, let me tell you, to accumulate XP or experience points quickly in Duolingo, you can follow these strategies. Remember that practice daily and the consistency is the real key. Dedicate a set amount of each time every day to set a practice in Duolingo, just like this one. Alright? Even short daily sessions can help you accumulate XP steadily over time. Now, the next option is you need to complete the lessons and exercises within each language skill. Each completed lesson earns you an XP based on the difficulty and accuracy of your responses. Now, go to the left side panel of your dashboard if you're using the website duolingo.com. Go to quests because this is where you can earn 10 XP, like 10 of 10, within the 7 hours. You see the lesson right here. If you take the challenges, Duolingo offers time practice challenges and quizzes. Participate in these challenges to earn bonus XP right here. And of course, the more you earn, the more you accomplish quests, the more quests can be unlocked soon. Alright, that's one of the best ways for you to get XP fast in Duolingo. Let's try exploring the mobile device to see if there's a difference. Now, once you are here, again, always do not hesitate to review previously learned material or redo lessons to reinforce your understanding. This not only helps you retrain knowledge, but also earns you more XPs. As you can see, there's going to be an option here. If you go for a streak, all right, you have a streak goal and it gets you an XP point as well. All right. Now, when you go here on the claim rewards on your first week, there's going to be a daily quest. All right. You can earn badges if you complete each month's challenge to earn exclusive badges. Now, if you combine all of these strategies, what will happen is, obviously, in maintaining regular practice, you can effectively earn XP faster on Duolingo while improving your language skills, adjusting your learning pace and methods to suit your preferences and goals for optimal results. Remember that as you progress through the lessons and strengthen your skills, you unlock higher levels within each language. Each level up rewards with your XP, as you can see it from here, right? You can claim rewards in your first week and you can do a lot more. And I believe that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.